everyone, welcome back to Geo Academy YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss in more detail about the Gibbs free energy. That means what will happen if the Gibbs free energy is higher, and what is going to happen if the Gibbs free energy is lower. Okay, so here I have written if G means Gibbs free energy is very less, the system must be stable. Okay. So look the illustration in the diagram. Here G of S, which Gibbs free energy of solid is greater than Gibbs free energy of liquid, then the melt will be more stable here. Okay, because liquid has the lowest G. Now here the Gibbs free energy of solid is less than the Gibbs free energy of liquid, then the solid will be more stable here because solid has the lowest G. Here in the x-axis I am taking the temperature of melting point, and in the y-axis I have given the Gibbs free energy. Okay, and this is the boundary between the solid and liquid, and this is the Tm. This is the temperature of melting point. This line shows the temperature of melting point, and these two curve is the solidus. Okay. So now latent heat. So remember one thing: latent means hidden. So the definition is the amount of energy required to change one state from another, keeping the temperature of the system to remain constant, is called latent heat. So what is the difference between heat and temperature? Look, the heat and temperature are not the same term, because the amount of heat we are supplying to a system, the temperature will accordingly rise. Okay, but we are giving a temperature to the system, but the temperature is not rising. The temperature is not rising to a single degree, but we are giving the heat, and that amount of heat, that amount of energy, heat is the basically energy. So that amount of energy we call the latent heat. Now let's move on to the crystallization of magma. You know, the crystallization of magma is not same as melting occur. Okay, so crystallization will occur at equilibrium and is driven by the difference in free energy, which is del G, between difference in free energy between the liquid and crystal. And in the melt, it takes time for crystals to grow in liquid. So it is obvious that in the liquid it must take time for the liquid to grow into crystal, and so it is a time-consuming process. So now we will look in some illustration. That means how what is the difference between melting and crystallization in diagram. For melting, the figure will look like this, and here this is your temperature in the x-axis, and this is the free energy. So here all the things are solid, here all the things are melt, and this is the melting temperature, this point, and here the solid, because of lowest G, Gs is less than Gl, and here Gs is greater than Gl, so here liquid has the lower G. So the melting will take place at this point, at the melting temperature. So this thing, all the things will crystallize at this melting temperature. So here this will satisfy the condition of equilibrium melting, and it is a spontaneous process. So melting tends to occur at the melting temperature at equilibrium, and it is spontaneous process. So now how for crystallization we will look it. Now for crystallization, look the illustration. This is the temperature, this is the Gibbs free energy. The curve will look like this, and here at this point first crystal will appear, and having the solid lowest G, and this amount of temperature is del T, and this liquid is here. So look, the crystallization is occurring after the melting point. Okay, below the melting point. The crystallization is occurring below the melting point. This is the melting point temperature, and the crystallization is occur here. So at this temperature, suppose this is 500 and this is 1000. So the crystallization is occurring at 500 degrees Celsius. Okay, and this cooling we know is called the super cooling. Okay, so crystallization occur at some temperature below the melting point temperature, and the difference is known as the super cooling. This temperature is known as the super cooling. Super cooling. The larger the super cooling, the larger the value of crystallization. So this is obvious. And when the super cooling is higher, then the crystal growth will be higher. So now how crystallization takes place. So crystallization basically takes place by the two process called nucleation and growth. So basically the crystallization depends on rate of nucleation and rate of growth. So a crystal nuclei is a small embryo of crystal structure within a liquid chamber by diffusion. Grow the crystal. A crystal is formed by nucleation by supercooling and grow by diffusion or nucleation. So suppose a small nuclei of crystal is developed here. This is the nucleation. Due to the supercooling is developed, and now due to the growth, new crystals will added to the small crystal, the small embryo, and large crystal will form. So these are basically nucleation. This is the nucleation. A small embryo, a small area of crystal is developed because of supercooling, and now growth of crystal takes place. Growth of crystal takes place, and this small crystal become a large crystal. This is what we call nucleation and growth. Now look the illustration. This is the rate of nucleation, growth rate. The difference rate of nucleation. The diagram is for rate of nucleation and growth rate. Now I have taken three temperature, TA, PB and BC. This is the temperature and this is the rate. So look the temperature TA. This is the temperature TA. The nucleation rate is low. This is the nucleation. This is the nucleation. The nucleation rate is low. This is the nucleation rate, but the growth is this much. The growth is this much. Okay. This is the nucleation rate and this is the growth. Okay, so nucleation rate is for temperature TA, the nucleation is low, but the growth is high. And here, small number of large crystal will form at this temperature. Small number of large crystal will be formed, and as a result of this, the rock will be of coarse grain texture, and the texture what we call phenolatic texture. Okay, so the temperature TA will show the phenolatic texture. The coarse grain crystals will be there. Now at temperature TB, this is the temperature TB. The nucleation and the growth rate is low. This is the growth rate is low. This is the growth rate, but the nucleation is high. This is the nucleation. Okay, so this is the growth rate. This is the nucleation. So here large number of small crystals will form. Large number of temperature TB. Large number of small crystals will form. Okay, now at temperature TC, this is the temperature TC, and here high degree of undercooling. This is here there will be high degree of undercooling. The growth curve is not touching here, so there will be high degree of undercooling, and no crystals will develop at this temperature, at this particular temperature, and the texture will be the rock show the glassy texture. Okay, so clear this diagram. note it down and make your diagram in your notebook. Now, I have given 5 important quiz questions here. You have to do it by yourself and send me the answer in my Telegram channel. So, first question is that what is the density of lava? Second question is that how magma will rise? And third question is that what is viscosity and what are the factors that viscosity depends upon? And fourth is what is the free energy? And fifth one is what is the energy. So, I am concluding here. Now, stay tuned with the channel. In the next class, we are going to start forms and